Good evening to those who listen. It's September 27, 2019, 10:58 p.m. And I'm not sure if there's a storm coming, but there's been some lightning. And I see a purple sky. We're in a tornado watch. And right beside where the tree is, well, way back behind there is a cloud. It's a weird cloud. It's a weird dark cloud. Let's wait for the lightning to strike and you'll see a purple sky. Any day now. What happened to the lightning? Come on. There. See how it was purple? It took a while, but I noticed earlier before it started raining, the sky looked purple. It seemed like the lightning was more that way. But well, maybe it's still over there too. It sounded like the thunder was overhead. It's weird because I don't see any, storm clouds. What? That light was on and then they just turned it off. That was pretty freaky. It's the sun simulators. Kind of looks like it though, doesn't it? These street lights. See how this one in the middle, the little one in the middle, has LED energy around it, and this one does too. Anyway, still waiting for the lightning. What happened? Alright, I guess there we go. A little bit of a lightning strike with the purple sky. It's weird because you can't see the purple right now until it flashes, and then the sky turns purple. That reminds me of something. The sky was all purple. There were people running everywhere who tried to run from my destruction. I didn't even care. Prince said that. In 1999. Alright, I'm going to end this because nothing's happening no more. The lightning strikes have really spaced out now. They're taking a long time in between them. And I don't want to go on forever. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. There's that street light. The heck? Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. I'll give it a couple more seconds to see if we get one more lightning flash. One more. Oh, I was going to say, yeah. Maybe it's plasma lightning again. That was weird. That was way over there. That was thunder? I don't know. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless.